Unity and harmony in language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the beautiful concepts of unity and harmony. These two words are not just vocabulary. They represent powerful ideas that can help us understand how to live and work together better. So, let's explore what they mean and how they apply to both language and life. Unity refers to the state of being one. It is when individuals, groups, or elements come together to form a whole. In language, unity is the coherence and consistency within a text or speech. It means that all parts of a sentence, paragraph, or conversation work together seamlessly towards a common purpose or idea. Examples in language: a well-written paragraph demonstrates unity by sticking to a single main idea. Each sentence supports the main idea without veering off topic. Examples in life: unity is seen in a team working together to achieve a goal, despite individual differences. Harmony, on the other hand, is about the agreement or concord between elements. It's when different parts come together in a way that is pleasing and balanced. In language, harmony is achieved when words and sentences flow together smoothly, creating a pleasant and understandable whole. Examples in language: harmony in writing is achieved through the use of synonyms, parallel structure, and consistent tone. Examples in life: harmony is evident in a diverse community living peacefully, respecting, and appreciating each other's differences. Bringing unity and harmony together, we see a powerful combination that enhances both communication and communal living. In language, this means creating texts or conversations that are not only coherent and focused but also pleasant and engaging to read or listen to. Achieving unity and harmony in language. To achieve this, focus on clarity of purpose, unity, and use elements like rhythm, repetition, and parallelism, harmony, in your speech or writing. Importance in communication. Unity and harmony make communication more effective by ensuring that messages are clear, cohesive, and pleasant to engage with. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meanings and implications of unity and harmony. These concepts go beyond language learning. They are essential principles for creating more cohesive and peaceful communities. We hope this video has not only helped you understand these terms better but also inspired you to apply them in your language learning journey and daily life. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language, and happy learning!